Have you ever wondered why some people thrive in the stock market while others lose everything? What if I told you the secret to building wealth lies not in timing the market, but in mastering your own emotions? Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and I'll show you how the stock market transforms the patient into millionaires and leaves the impatient struggling to catch up. By the end of this video, you'll never look at investing the same way again. Let me tell you a story about a man named David. David was a hard-working father of 2, living the American dream, or so he thought. He wanted more for his family, so he decided to invest his savings in the stock market. But when the market crashed in 2008, fear gripped him. He sold everything in a panic. David thought he was protecting his family, but by cashing out, he locked in his losses. Over the next decade, as the market recovered and soared, David watched from the sidelines, regretting his hasty decision. But David's story doesn't end there. What if I told you he found a way to turn it all around and become a millionaire? I'll reveal his strategy later in the video. David's story isn't unique. The stock market thrives on emotions: fear during a crash, greed during a rally. The impatient investor reacts to every headline, every dip, and every spike. They try to time the market, jumping in and out, hoping to outsmart it. But here's the truth: impatience is the enemy of wealth. Studies show that the average investor earns far less than the market itself over time. Why? Because they let fear and excitement dictate their decisions. But what if there was a way to break free from this emotional roller coaster? A way to turn market volatility into your greatest advantage. We'll get to that soon. Now, let's talk about the patient investor. Imagine planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty oak tree. That's what patience in the stock market looks like. The most successful investors, like Warren Buffett, don't chase quick gains. Instead, they understand that time in the market beats timing the market. Every dip is an opportunity, not a disaster. Every bear market sets the stage for the next bull market. And here's the exciting part: history proves this strategy works. Since 1926, the S&P 500 has averaged about 10% annual returns. Those who stayed invested through crashes and recessions emerged wealthier than ever. It's not magic, it's math and patience. But how exactly do you develop this level of patience? Let me share the mindset shift that changed everything for David. After years of regret, David decided to try again. But this time, he approached the market differently. Instead of reacting to every market swing, he built a diversified portfolio and committed to leaving it untouched for 20 years. He automated his investments, contributing a small amount each month, rain or shine. During the 2020 crash, instead of panicking, he doubled down, buying when everyone else was selling. Today, David is financially free, and his portfolio has grown to over $2 million. David's story proves that anyone can succeed in the market, but only if you embrace the power of patience. And here's the urgent truth: the earlier you start, the greater your reward. Every day you wait is a day you lose out on compounding. The stock market isn't just a place to trade, it's a tool to build generational wealth. But it rewards those who are willing to wait. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start small. Stay consistent. Ignore the noise. Whether the market is up or down, remember this: patience always wins. Because, as Warren Buffett famously said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So, which side will you choose? Your future starts today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's build wealth together, one patient decision at a time.